Let me hear paper,
Paper.
puppy,
Puppy.
teapot,
Teapot.
carpenter,
Carpenter.
apple,
Apple.
zipper,
Zipper.
loud and proud, happy,
Happy.
pepper.
Pepper.
I need to hear you louder. Very good.
Maybe I'm not going to get it right.
Every letter makes a sound. E-L says L, 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 L. Louder, louder, louder. L, 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 L. Elmo,
Elmo.
elbow,
Elbow.
elephant,
Elephant.
elevator,
Elevator.
elm tree.
Elm tree.
All of these words start with E-L and it says L.
Can I do push-up?
Push-ups? Okay, not yet though. These words all rhyme. They have the same sound at the end. They rhyme because they have the same sound at the end. Tell me. Plant cell,
Plane cell.
bell,
Bell.
well,
Wall.
tell,
Tell.
seashell,
Seashell.
cell,
Cell.
magic spell.
Magic spell.
What's the rhyming sound? The rhyming sound is... What is the same sound in all of these words? It's the... No. L. What's the same sound?
L.
L. What's the same sound?
L.
And it's at the end. Words that rhyme have the same sound at the end. What letter is this? What? N. N says N. 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 Let me hear you. N. 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 Na.
Na na na.
Nay, nay, nay.
Nay nay nay.
Nee, nee, nee.
Nee nee nee.
No, no, no.
No no no.
New, new, new.
New new new.
Na.
Na.
Nay.
Nay.
Nee.
Nee.
No.
No.
New.
New.
Every letter makes a sound. N says N. Like narwhal. Okay, I need you in your chair and I need your voice louder and thank you for doing all of the sounds. Let me hear narwhal.
Narwhal.
No.
No.
New.
No.
Nickel.
Nickel.
Navy.
Navy.
Nail. Sit down.
Nail.
Night. Bottom of your
Night.
chair. Knot.
Knot.
Knot has a K in the front, but that K is so quiet that we don't even hear it. We only hear the N in the N. Okay, so what letter does nickel start with? What's the name of that letter? And what does N say? Very good. Tell me, bread,
Bread.
pretzel,
Pretzel.
tree.
Tree.
I need your eyes. Hey, I need your eyes. Tree,
Tree.
grapes,
Grape.
frog,
Frog.
drum.
Drum.
Every letter makes a sound. PL says pla, pla, pla. What does PL say?
Pla. 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 Pla.
Pla, 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 pla.
Pla. Pla. Pla. Pla.
Pla, pla, pla.
Pla.
Play, play, play.
Play.
Plee, plee, plee.
Play.
Flow, flow, flow. Ploo, ploo, ploo. Pla, play, plee, flow, ploo. Every letter makes a sound. PL says pla, like plane. You've been on a plane? Oh, okay. I've been on a plane. You went to Trinidad?
I went to Jamaica.
You went to Jamaica?
And
And you're going to go to Haiti?
Yeah, my mom lives in Haiti.
Oh.
She doesn't live here. She lives in Haiti.
Oh, okay. So then you get to go visit her in Haiti.
No. She's New York. She's here now.
She's here now? Okay, everybody over here. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Thank you. Plum,
Plum.
play,
Play.
planet,
Planet.
plant.
Plant.
All of these words start with what?
P.
P. P what?
P-L.
P-L. Very
Play.
good. All of these words start with what two letters?
Play and L.
I'm asking you. All of these words start with what two letters? You sit down.
P L.
Good. And what does PL say? Pool. What does it say? Look at me. What does it say? Pool. Pool. Put that pencil down. It's tricking you. I need your eyes on my lips. What does PL say? Pool. Very good. Tell me. Spring.
Spring.
In the spring,
In the spring,
the birds will sing.
the birds will sing.
The sun will shine.
The sun will shine.
It will rain sometimes.
It will rain sometimes.
I don't hear that. It will rain sometimes.
It will rain sometimes.
The rain will make things grow.
The rain will make things grow.
Mister, I don't hear. The rain will make things grow.
The rain will make things grow.
There will be rainbows.
There will be rainbows.
We can run and swing.
We can run and swing.
It's time for spring.
It's time for spring.
Very good.
Yesterday I went to the circus.
You did? What did you see at the circus?
I see a lot of things about school. And after my daddy got a laser light stick.
Oh, a laser light stick? Very cool.
I went to gymnastics.
You went to gymnastics?
And
you went to Red Lobster?
For my sister's birthday.
Oh.
And then we get ice cream and cake.
Ice cream and cake? Okay, you sit there. You can sit down and tell me.
At the end of the circus, they have new flags.
Oh, new flags. And what did you do at gymnastics?
I did like, I guess, regular easy stuff.
Regular easy stuff. Can you do a cartwheel?
Yes.
Oh, me too.
That's easy.
You could do push-ups?
Yeah.
You could do a cartwheel? All right, you could show me after we do this page. Every letter makes a sound. I want to hear you loud and proud. ST says... We should hear two sounds blended together. ST says... Very good. Sta, sta, sta.
Stop, stop, stop.
Stay, stay, stay.
Stay, stay, stay.
Stee, stee, stee.
Stee, stee, stee.
Stow, stow, stow.
Go, so, so.
Stew, stew, stew.
Stew, stew, stew.
Sta,
Stop.
sta. I didn't hear that. Sta,
Stop.
stay, stee, stow. Teeth together, tongue behind your teeth. You keep the car in the garage. Stew.
Stew.
Good. Every letter makes a sound as T says st. You sit down. Like star.
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 Rain.
Storm.
Storm.
Stop.
Stop.
Stem.
Stem.
Stones.
Stone.
Stingray.
Stingray.
Steps.
Step.
Stairs.
Stairs.
All of these words start with two letters. What are they?
S-T.
ST. What does ST say? Very good.